Solved how to fix Titanfall 2 keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Check if your PC meets the system requirements for Titanfall 2. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Perform a Windows update. 4. Install the latest Titanfall 2 patch. 5. Add Titanfall. Two, as an exception to your third-party antivirus application. Ensure your security software allow Titanfall 2 through its settings. 6. Repair Titanfall 2 app in Origin. 7. Perform a clean boot. 8. Uninstall then